Okay, so let's say we have 6x squared plus 5x and then minus 6. So here's A, B, and C. So if we multiply A times C, you're going to get negative 36x squared. And so you have to come up with what two terms that we multiply will give you this B term, positive 5. So you can come up with 2 times 18, which could give you 20 if you add or 16 if you subtract. If I do 9 times 4, I could get 13 if I add and 5 if I subtract, so that's what I want. So I want positive 9 and then a negative 4. And to get x squared, we're going to split that up into x times x. So then we're going to rewrite the middle term. So bring down the 6x squared, and it doesn't matter which one I put first, so I just put what I wrote first, plus 9x minus 4x, and you see that that does equal 5, minus 6. So then you're going to do factor by grouping. So you look at the first two terms, and they both have a 3 and an x that you can take out, which means to divide both terms by that. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, x squared divided by x is x, 9 divided by 3, the x's reduce. So then here I can take out or divide by negative 2. So if you divide by negative 2 both terms, you're going to be left with 2x and then plus 3. The parentheses need to match or you did something incorrectly. So then I say the outside numbers go together and the inside numbers go together. It is factoring out that 2x plus 3 in common, but that's how it works.